reliable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think I had the stabling system on, so it thinks my hand was shaking, so it kept resetting the picture.
So right now it's good now?
Yeah, now it doesn't appear to be doing it again.
Okay,
so.
good, great.
So that's the live tool there?
Yeah, live tool. Right now we are doing the engraving.
What's the tool on the end?
That we don't really use that one. I like to use that one. If that one, I can cut the.
Oh, you can cut the face of the part?
Yes, and we can do the milling function.
Yeah.
You know, that will be impress people, but they're already far away because the tool holder.
Yeah, it's too
not optimized.
Yeah. How does the grabber work? Is it by a magnet?
Which one? Oh no. They just by the you put a power.
Yeah.
Okay. Because the
to just fit on snugly.
Yeah, I think internally there's some sort of spring. So and the diameter of the gripper is smaller than the part.
So it grips it, and then when the collar holds on, it.
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
That's just by force.
Can I borrow you for a minute?
Sure. No problem.
Oh, I didn't reach in front of the camera.
Nope.
Yeah, you can see.
Yep.
Then
the collar will.
And then call it close. Then you treat. So
the live tools move every time you hit the collar.
Yeah.